Welcome back to my channel here, Mompreneur Profits. My name is Jasmine Tutton, and I wanted to do this quick video in regards to the Freedom BCA, basically a free success scan, which you are limited access. I can also send you over the success scan to see if your LLC is in lender compliance, also to see if you pre-qualify for funding as well too. You can comment the word scan below, or you can send me a text message that says the word scan and your first and last name, so that way I can send that directly to your email. Everything will be in the description below. Also, wherever you see this video, make sure that you like it and subscribe to my channel or what have you. So this will be a quick overview here. Basically, I'm an independent financial service broker with a company called Freedom Path, and within that we have a program called Freedom BCA. Now, with Freedom BCA, if you fully go through the academy itself, you will be guaranteed a minimum of $50,000 if everything is checked off in green. But you still can get the success scan to kind of sort of see exactly where you stand. Like I said, it is limited access, and you will have the option to fully upgrade as well too. So let's get into it here. This is basically the dashboard. It'll let you know here if you are pre-qualified, what you apply for, the documents needed, lenders offers, and so on and so forth. So you have to start here to see exactly if you are in lender compliance. Like I stated, this is limited access. I'm going to show you. So if I click on optimize reporting, it should take me to another screen to where 9 times out of 10 I will have to upgrade to fully get access as well too. So you definitely see it here. So these are the price. Well, these are not the prices itself. It really is about $16.99, but it will take you directly to my website in order to upgrade. We have one that is $6.89, and then it's $189 a month, or you can do the full payout of $16.99 itself. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. That should definitely be the price of $16.99. Sometimes I try to remember these prices and everything, but you'll definitely see it on my site. So let's go back to the dashboard here real quick. So within that, you'll still get like a helper. She will walk you through and basically talk to you as well too. There's also a tutorial as well, some more information. Now in regards to the lender compliance, I'm going to go into this. It'll let you know if you are in compliance of anything. It may say 4 out of 15 or what have you as well. So lender compliance, it'll say here items most lenders check when underwriting for approval. Excuse me. As you can see here, I have a bunch of X's. I only got one check mark, right? So with these X's, if you do have those, you have to go through that to make sure that you really are in compliance. A physical address is not good for an LLC. You need to have a business address, a business phone number, a business website, a business bank account. Got to be listed in the 411 directory. So, you know, if somebody is somehow looking you up, everything is tied to your business itself. It'll also let you know here everything if you are in compliance. Now, if you have some of this stuff, you can definitely fill it out and go to the next step as well too. Like I said, you will be limited to certain things, and you have to fully upgrade to go through everything and try to get that minimum of $50,000 in business funding. Most of us probably already knew about Duns and Bradstreet. Most probably knew about Credit Safe. I mean, you got to have Experian Business, Equifax Business as well. Also go through the process of at least 7 vendors as well. It'll tell you right here. She will let you know. In some cases, try not to do no more than 3 or 4. It'll tell you to get like 5 business cards. Now, if your credit score is not where it needs to be, you definitely need to be working on your personal credit score as well too. I do have a done for you credit software in regards to that. If you would like to, you know, start getting your credit repaired, rebuilding, different things of that sort, I do have access to that as well. my done for you credit software system. So it also talks about installment loans, bank loans, reporting trade lines as well too, having a business plan as well, especially when it comes to those SBA loans. So it'll definitely tell you all those things that you pretty much need. So like I said over here, I got a bunch of X's. Not ashamed to say it, because most people, you have probably heard people say, you need to get your LLC, you need to get your EIN. And that was it. Nobody ever told you that you need to be in lender compliance to get funding. It's more than an LLC and an EIN. You have to go through the entire business structure itself as well too. And also, it'll tell you right here about access to funding. Now these are in red, so it says that not yet qualified, but of course you can start to get qualified. It'll let you know. Business credit cards, business credit lines, so merchant advance as well too. It'll let you know in regards to that, if you do meet the requirements. If you don't, your personal credit score must be 680 plus. There can be no bankruptcies or any personal business or personal credit reports, no judgment, liens, charge-offs. See, it basically lets you know to qualify for this funding, you need, these are the things that you need. Owner's personal annual income must be $75,000 or greater. So it actually lets you know exactly what you need to work on if this pops up exactly for you. If it doesn't, and it shows you that, oh, okay, you can get this type of funding, then yeah, definitely go for it. I would definitely suggest don't apply for over 3, because at the end of the day, they could be doing a soft credit pull and then you get approved and it's a hard credit pull. So at the end of the day, this is how you can see if you pre-qualified for funding itself. Got to think about, if you got a business to where you have to use a truck or any type of sorts or anything like that, we also got the funding for that. It'll definitely let you know here, like if you don't have this, you got to have a 680. You got to be grossing over $3,000 a month. Must be in business at least 6 months. Don't have any bankruptcy showing. No judgment, charge-offs. Must be making $75,000 or greater in income, annual personal income itself. So it'll definitely let you know exactly what you need to be working on, what you need to be gearing towards, all those different types of things as well too. It'll let you know information over here, let you know if you need to fully sign up for the system or not. We also have a help desk as well too, and she's also here to help as well. So this is really a good tool here to have, to also go through, to make sure that you are ready to get this funding. You're really bankable. You're really setting up as a business itself, as a CEO. So this is a tool that I absolutely love. And I'm like, wow, I'm really not in compliance nowhere. And then thinking to yourself like, oh, you can use your physical address. No, you have to use a business. You have to use business. Yes, getting a business address, it may cost you something per month. Getting an actual business founder and phone number itself, it may or may not cost you anything as well too. There is a site, I believe, that you can go on. I'm trying to remember the site itself, but this is definitely something to go through, to actually look at. So just a quick overview, just basically showing you exactly, you know, what this system has to pretty much offer as well, because at the end of the day, most LLCs, most people who are in business right now, they need funding. There are some people who have a business, but they don't have an LLC, and not knowing that even if you do something like you a marketing coach, or you do events, or you write grants, or you write resumes, or whatever the case may be, you do know that you can get a line of credit. You can get business cards to help with your business. What if you need to get a brand new computer? What if you need to get for your business a brand new printer, or you need to get an office space, or whatever the case may be? Just being in lender compliance can help you in so many ways. And I feel as if most people want to start a business, or they got a business but they don't want to go through the business structure aspect of things, because you have to be really focused and disciplined when it comes to this. It's not as hard as you think, but you have to really sit down and actually do it itself. And I think most people, it's the fact of even paying back the money. You know, that's just the way it works when it comes to loans, business funding, because at the end of the day, when you get this money, you pay it back. What you're doing is you're building a relationship with these individuals here, these people. You know, most people want to get grants. You know, there's pros and cons to everything at the end of the day. So if you want to get your free business scan itself, make sure you comment the word scan, or send me a text message as well to 662-694-1709. Message me that word scan. Let me know your first and last name and your email address, and that way I can send that over to you as well. And make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this information with someone. If I sent you this video or you saw this video somewhere, make sure you get back to me as well if you want that business success scan. I hope each of you have a blessed and fantastic day. Make sure you check that description below.